This video is sponsored by our Ultimate Vegan Cooking course. Learn the basics of how to cook without recipes and the fundamentals of plant-based cooking. Link down below to learn more.
Yo dudes! Welcome to possibly the best potatoes.
The crispiest, most crispy, crispy potatoes!
Okay, ready just to show you this here now, you ready?
These
I
are
want a bit
amazing.
of that one.
And we're serving it with an amazing sriracha mayo. Really easy to make. The best way to eat potatoes. As an Irish person, I love this. I think you'll love it too.
This is, you can see the enthusiasm in our face about this. Like, these are really, really good. Would highly recommend you trying them. They're simple, they're quick, they're easy, and they're a taste sensation.
First step, boil your potatoes. We're simply using a kilo of potatoes, boil them for 25 minutes.
Okay, spuds are boiled. How you know they're done is take a fork and you can stick it into the middle of them, and it's nice and soft and easy and cooked through. They're not crumbly, they should be perfect like this. It'll take approximately 25 minutes.
This is the really fun bit. Okay, take our cooked dried spuds, pop them out on a baking tray.
Okay, this is a fun bit. We're gonna just crush or mash or squish or compress our potatoes with the back of a glass. Top tip here is to be gentle. Don't be too enthusiastic like I have been in the past. Compress them slowly and gently until they burst. Okay, now our spuds are smashed, it is time to mix our sauce and dress these
For
delights.
anyone who doesn't know, spuds is potato in Ireland.
Yeah.
That's what we call them.
call-
Okay, so we have 4 tablespoons of oil. We have 1 tablespoon of sriracha.
You don't need to use sriracha if you don't have it. You can just leave it out, but it does add a nice kind of spice to it.
Next step, we have a teaspoon of garlic powder, and finally, a half a tablespoon of maple syrup, just to give that sweet, crispy, crackly magicness. So the reason why we add the oil and the dressing on afterwards is because the potatoes release loads of this sticky starchiness, which the oil will go on, and it's just gonna become ultra crispy. So to accentuate it as well, we're gonna use a pastry brush just to ensure we get every little bit of that starch, so it's extra crispy.
The smashed potatoes are ready to go into the oven.
They're gonna end up like crisps. It is really worthwhile using the pastry brush if you can, because you can really get in there, make sure it's really well distributed, and you're gonna end up with the crispiest,
And see-
most crispy potatoes, crispy ever.
Potatoes. But these are,
The crispatoes.
that was all. See the red comes from the sriracha. You know
That's
that?
good, okay.
Go,
We
isn't it?
preheated the oven, 200 degrees, we're gonna bake them for 25 minutes.
Woo! It's showtime!
You always feel very cool.
I don't know if I was enthusiastic enough. Okay, potatoes are ready. They are crispalicious. Wow!
Look at those. Ooh, ooh. Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh my God, that is like proper crispy.
These goes amazing with sriracha mayo. So simply, it's really hard. Vegan mayo, put in a little bit of sriracha, mix it together, and sriracha mayo. I just want to show you the crunch here. Okay, here we go. You ready for it? You hear that?
Oh, play with the mayonnaise.
I think you really need to try these. These are amazing.
Why cook potatoes any other way? What a treat. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to this channel.
Hope you loved it.
Sending lots of potato love to you, and I hope you have copious amounts of crispy potatoes this week, and sending all our love. Bye!